Are you tired of watching other people go viral, build businesses, and make money online? While you're still stuck wondering how to start, Musk calls AI the most powerful force in human history. And while most are scared of it replacing jobs, a new class of millionaires is using it to create jobs, content, products, and income streams. But how exactly are people doing this? Here's the truth. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's creating a brand new class of millionaires. And no, they're not coders. They're not tech experts. Most of them are people just like you, leveraging free AI tools, automations, and clever strategies to create real, growing income streams from their laptop or even their phone. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how people are using free AI tools, no coding, and just a few hours a week to create real income streams. And how can you join this AI gold rush without coding, without capital, and without waiting? Even if you're starting from scratch. No fluff, just proven ideas, tools, and action steps. We're living in a time of massive change. In 2025, with global inflation rising and the US dollar showing instability, job security is a joke. Businesses want to cut costs. Millions are searching for online income, but most are stuck chasing trends. But here's the twist. While one group of people is panicking, another group is making thousands every month, quietly, by letting AI do most of the work. According to a survey by Statista, in 2025, over 62% of freelancers started using AI tools to boost their income. That number is only growing. So, what are these people doing differently? Let's break it down. Number 1. Freelance ghost working with ChatGPT. Instead of writing content from scratch, you use ChatGPT to draft blogs, emails, or product descriptions. Then you edit and sell them on Fiverr or Upwork. Simple. Profitable. In demand. Use Grammarly for polishing and Surfer SEO to make your content SEO optimized. People are charging $50, $100 per blog, and they're doing 5 a day. Number 2. AI automation setup for businesses. Small businesses need help with automation emails, DMs, responses. You can use tools like Zapier and ChatGPT to create auto-reply systems and charge $99, $199 per setup. It's called AI Assistant Setup, and right now, it's a golden freelance opportunity with almost no competition. Number 3. AI-generated info products. You pick a niche like diabetes meal plans or self-care checklists. Use ChatGPT to write content, Canva AI to design it, and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. You only do the work once and earn passive income daily. In 2025, clients don't want long processes. They want fast, cheap, and quality at the same time. AI gives you a shortcut. You deliver work in 1 hour that used to take 5. And here's the thing, clients are starting to prefer freelancers who use AI efficiently. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, these AI freelancers are dominating the listings. Now, let's talk about Elon Musk. When he launched Grok, his AI assistant with an attitude, he wasn't just building another chatbot. He was changing how creators use AI to generate fast, bold content. Within weeks, it's helping people write code, create content, and make money without sounding like a robot. One creator built a 7-day newsletter using Grok in 1 hour, added affiliate links, and made over $300 in a single weekend. Here are some tools you can start using right now. ChatGPT, Grok AI, Midjourney for visuals, Typedesk for fast email replies, Durable SEO to build websites in minutes. You don't need to master 10 tools. Just pick one, learn it well, and offer it as a service or product. That's how new age creators are building real income without going viral, without being tech experts. This is your chance. AI won't wait, but it will reward early action. If you want more AI money making ideas, free tools, and never heard strategies, hit subscribe. This is CashQuest AI, and we're on a mission to turn tech into income. Don't just watch the AI wave. Ride it.